I want to thank Overmont for gifting me this beautiful Dutch oven for a review. The Overmont Enameled cast iron Dutch oven in stunning blue is a kitchen showstopper. This is the 5.5 quart size, perfect for family meals or larger batches of your favorite recipes. Right out of the box, it comes with thoughtful accessories, including 2 cotton pot holders, a heat-resistant trivet, a user manual, and a cookbook with 10 delicious recipes. Everything you need to elevate your cooking game. The vibrant color and high-quality build instantly stand out, giving a professional feel. With its substantial weight, I truly feel like a chef using it. One of the standout features is its outstanding heat retention and distribution. The cast iron material ensures that food cooks evenly, so no hot spots to worry about. Whether you're making stews, roasting, or even baking bread, this Dutch oven locks in flavors and moisture beautifully. The innovative lid design promotes perfect condensation, keeping your meals juicy and preventing them from drying out. It's a true multitasker, suitable for stewing, frying, roasting, you name it. The versatility is unmatched as it works seamlessly on all stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, or even induction. Plus, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you even more cooking options from slow braising to finishing dishes in the oven. When it comes to serving, the pot retains heat incredibly well, keeping your food warm for extended periods. As for cleaning, the smooth enamel surface makes it an absolute breeze. Just a soft sponge is all you need to wipe away any food residue.